Understanding cognitive rehearsal, a key to mastering new skills. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a powerful concept known as cognitive rehearsal. This technique is not just a tool for learning new words or grammar, but an essential strategy for mastering any new skill. So, whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner, understanding and applying cognitive rehearsal can significantly boost your learning journey. Let's get started. Cognitive rehearsal is a mental practice technique that involves repeatedly visualizing or mentally practicing a task or skill. The beauty of this method lies in its simplicity and effectiveness. By mentally rehearsing, you're essentially preparing your brain for the actual performance, making it a potent tool for learning and improvement. Imagine you're learning a new word or a complex grammatical structure. Instead of just reading it once and hoping it sticks, you use cognitive rehearsal by mentally constructing sentences, imagining conversations, or picturing scenarios where you would use this new knowledge. This process strengthens your memory and understanding, making it easier to recall and apply when needed. The benefits of cognitive rehearsal are vast and backed by research. Here are a few key advantages. Enhances memory retention. By mentally practicing new information, you're reinforcing it in your memory, making it more likely to be remembered. Improves performance. Cognitive rehearsal can help you perform better in real-life situations, such as speaking or writing in English, by preparing your mind in advance. Reduces anxiety. For language learners, anxiety can be a significant barrier. Cognitive rehearsal allows you to experience situations mentally, reducing fear and building confidence. Facilitates deeper learning. This technique encourages active engagement with the material, leading to deeper understanding and long-term learning. Now that we understand the concept and benefits, let's talk about how to apply cognitive rehearsal to language learning. 1. Visualize conversations. Imagine yourself in various speaking scenarios. Visualize the setting, the conversation, and even the expressions on people's faces. 2. Practice with new vocabulary. When you learn new words, think of sentences or stories where you can use them. Try to picture these contexts as vividly as possible. 3. Rehearse grammar structures. Take a complex grammar rule you're learning and construct several sentences in your mind. Repeat this process until it feels more natural. 4. Prepare for real-life situations. Anticipate situations where you might use English and rehearse them mentally. It could be a job interview, a presentation, or a casual conversation. We hope this video has shed light on the powerful technique of cognitive rehearsal and how it can be a game changer in your English language learning journey. Remember, the key is consistency and imagination. The more you practice mentally, the better prepared you'll be for real-life applications. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to practice cognitive rehearsal in your studies. Until next time, happy learning!